Your company is looking into a new call center solution. Maybe your current call center software is end of life. Maybe your current PBX is end of life and it's connected to your call center, so it's time to get rid of both. Well, no matter what, we see this all the time. And one question that comes up a lot is, are cloud contact center solutions better than on-prem contact center solutions? Well, absolutely. 10 years ago, that might have been a different answer, but in today's environment, it is absolutely unequivocally true that cloud contact center solutions are better for your company than on-prem solutions. And it's not just because that, it offers more features or it's more redundant. Yes, those are all true, but as we all saw in the pandemic recently, having the ability to use your call center software, not just on-site, but off-site, is huge. What if you want to hire contact center agents from around the country? You don't want to just be limited to your local area to hire contact center agents. Well, with cloud contact center software, you can definitely do that. You can hire cloud contact center agents anywhere. Well, maybe you're thinking, yeah, but how are we going to manage those folks? Well, the cool thing is with cloud contact center software, there's so many new features out there that really improve your management's ability to monitor and train contact center agents, that it's really not a problem no matter where they're sitting. So for instance, with things like customer sentiment, like your software will be able to detect when certain keywords are used or someone's voice is raised or maybe a competitor's name is used, and automatically send that call recording to a manager within your organization so they can hear it right away and find training opportunities. So your manager doesn't have to be standing behind your call center agents anymore. They can actually get emailed all the pertinent information right away. So overall, cloud contact center solutions are definitely a lot more flexible. They allow you to hire people from all around the world to staff your contact center. They allow your management team to manage and train efficiently no matter where they're sitting compared to your contact center agents. And just overall, in terms of pricing and availability of features, ability to scale up and down, it's just an overall better solution. So hope that helps a little bit. If the pandemic didn't convince you already, that it's definitely the better way to go than an on-prem system. So if you want to know which cloud contact center solutions are the best for your company, don't start Googling it. Just reach out to me, shoot me an email or give me a call. I'm happy to help. I'm a broker for all the major cloud contact center service providers. So I can definitely tell you which providers our customers that are similar size to your business, have similar needs, are happiest with, and refer them to you, and also introduce you to the best people within those companies to be working with. And the nice thing is if you find something you like, those vendors will pay our company our broker fee, and your company doesn't have to pay us a dime. So there's absolutely no excuse not to use us. You don't have to pay for it, and it helps you get to the right vendors a lot faster. I hope that helps. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.